In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted and missing files in Mega Cloud Mobile. If you accidentally remove something important from your Mega Cloud on your phone, don't worry, there's a built-in way to get it back in just a few taps. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start by opening the Mega app on your mobile device. From the main screen, look to the top left corner for the menu icon, often called the hamburger icon. Tap that to open the side menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Rubbish Bin. Go ahead and tap Rubbish Bin to view everything you've deleted from your account using the app. Inside the Rubbish Bin, you'll find a list of deleted files and folders. This is your safety net. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the item you want to bring back. If you're not sure you've got the right one, you can tap to preview or open the file first to double-check the contents. That quick check helps you avoid restoring the wrong version or a similarly named file. Once you've found the correct file or folder, press and hold on it to select it. You'll see it highlighted to confirm your selection. If you need to restore more than one item, you can keep tapping additional files after the first long press to select multiple items at once. When you're ready, look at the top of the screen for the Restore option and tap Restore. That's it. The item will be returned to its original location in your Mega Drive, exactly where it was before deletion. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Restored items go back to their original folders, so if you're not seeing them in your main view, check the folder structure where they used to live. If the file doesn't appear in the rubbish bin, it may have been permanently removed or the bin might have been emptied previously. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Mega account if you use more than one. Restoring works best with a stable internet connection, especially for larger files, so give it a moment if the file needs to resync. And that's how to recover deleted and missing files in the Mega Cloud mobile app. Open the app, go to the rubbish bin, confirm the file, long press to select, and tap Restore. Simple, reliable, and fast. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.